I am down here at the local park. We got about 45 minutes or so of sunlight. It is gorgeous out here. There is no wind. We're gonna try and not get stuck in a tree.
I can't believe the night lay waste to all we'd given. But honestly, you've gotta know that this ain't living. But we could run and let it burn, let it burn. You've gotta know that nothing lasts forever. I can't believe myself. I never thought that this would be our end, but it's nothing new. And my lover's honesty, I can push it back down if I have to, if you want me to. 'Cause we can run. All for you. So tell me now, what's left to lose if we run? Forever.
We got it. Holy moly, my arm was getting tired. The truth about flying in trees like this, there is scraggle everywhere. I don't want to run into another tree. There are lots of spots in those trees that you can fly in between the trunk, the limbs of the trunk. But you kind of just, at this time of day, you kind of got to just guess and go for it and pray that you get through. And I didn't make it through very often that tonight. Tonight was not a good night. I don't know. We flew 4 packs, and I crashed a whole ton of times. Just when I start kind of getting a little bit of flow going on, I hit a tree, or a branch, or the ground, or I hit something. So, click that like button. Is that what they say? All right. Peace out.